I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an install and styling of this highlighted bob wig from ILIKEHAIR. And let me tell you, the highlights are absolutely eating. Like, I love it, love it, love it, you guys. It's beautiful. It's giving grown, it's giving glamorous, it's beautiful. ILIKEHAIR actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So we are going to go ahead and jump into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so today we are installing this beautiful layered bob wig from ILIKEHAIR. Like, look at that. It's already super wispy. The layers are giving. I love, love, love the way they colored this hair. So they have these light pieces up front that are really gonna frame the face. Let me show y'all. So like these light pieces are just gonna eat, you guys. And then you see it has some little touches in the back. So you have this 1B color, then it transitions to a little bit more of a 4, and then you get this brighter, glamorous color, which I just love. So let me show you all the inside of this wig. I did already install it once. But this is a 13x4 wig, so that means you're going to be able to play around with this wig. You might be able to do a side part when you want to do a side part. You're going to be able to do like a cute little half up, half down. But I'm going to go ahead and show you. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray a little lace tint on this lace to get it closer to my skin tone. We just want it a little bit darker. And also, you guys, this wig has an elastic band. I forgot to show you all. Like, very, very secure. Love it, love it, love it. This is gonna be a really quick and easy install, you guys. So let's go ahead and spray a little lace tint on here. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and put this wig on. The color is absolutely giving. I love it, love it, love it. I feel like it looks really, really pretty with my skin tone. Like, that looks really gorgeous. So we are going to go ahead and glue this wig down a little bit. So I'm just going to be using lace spray. This is going to be a very quick and easy install. We're going to do 3 layers of lace spray. So let's go ahead and start with the first one. And y'all, the lace is giving too. The lace, let's talk about the lace because it's not glued down yet and the lace looks invisible. Like, it's giving for sure. But let's go ahead and glue this wig down. So this would be considered layer 1, you guys. Okay, so now let's do layer 2. Okay, and finally we are going to go ahead and do layer 3, but we're gonna do this layer a little bit differently. Bam, bam, bam. And I'm actually going to put the wig where I want it to be before I actually blow dry the wig. So I want it about right here. Cut off a little bit of my forehead. Make my forehead a little smaller. And guys, and already it looks so, so pretty. It's grown, it's sexy, it's eating. But we are going to tie the wig down and get the lace ultra melted using the ILIKEHAIR headband that came with the wig. And I'm just going to tie this around while I actually style the wig. So I do like that this headband is a lot thinner than some of the ones other places give you. Like this one, it lets you're able to actually style your wig while you have this headband on, which you can't really do too much when the headband is a lot thicker. Okay guys, so it's good that this wig is layered, so it should be really, really easy to style. So firstly, let me get this wig flat, flat, flat. Let's get it flat, so I'm gonna hot comb a little bit up here. Okay, bam. And now we're going to get this wig to give. Let's add a little makeup to the part to make the part just really pop. So now we're gonna do a cute little feathered look using a flat iron. So let me show you all how it's done, girlies. So you're just gonna kind of curl it towards the back. So going back that way, towards the back of your head, really. really is easier or better to start at the bottom. The color is really making it pop. Like, I am loving this color that they added. And I'm so glad I did not have to do the color myself. I'm gonna spread out the color so it looks a little more feathered, and bam. Okay, let's just get this little piece looking right. So let's take this headband off and see what we're working with here. Okay, so I like the way this side is falling. Let's fix the other side. And bam, guys, that is it. It's super duper easy to style. You can play around with the color, bring more of the color out, or even hide a little bit of the color if you don't want as much of the color to show. But it looks super duper cute. Love it, love it, love it. Look at it on the side. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Once again, this wig is from I Like Hair. I'm going to link it in the description box. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.